you want to see how I've been styling these Toyo Tress Tiana Passion Twists while I've had them in my head, and it's been about a week and I've done I don't know how many styles. Yes, I've been switching it up. You want to see what I've been doing? Stay tuned.
Incredible, incredible, incredible.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and go ahead, sit back, relax, see if I have any styles you want to try yourself on your Tiana Passion Twist, or just any protective style that you have in. It could be braids, twists, any type of crochet hair. You can do this. If I can do this on shoulder length hair, you can do it too, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a like just for me sharing this with you, just for the love of it. And make sure you set your notifications on all if you do decide to subscribe, and I hope you do. that's it, roses. You can do whatever you want to do to switch it up. You can use the hair that you have installed. You can use bobby pins. You can use hair ties. You can use head wraps. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Make it up as you go. There's no wrong way to switch it up, just as long as you switch it up. And just know you don't have to just wear it in the same style the whole way through. So if you think this is giving you any ideas, make sure you like this video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. If you are coming back to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, girl, come on now. At this point in time, why not? And if you're coming back to my channel and you've already subscribed, I appreciate you coming back. So that's it for now. I'll talk to you later, roses.